as you guys see, we just met up with the homie Kevin. This was super random. I had no plans today, but I hit up Kevin this morning. I was like, what are you doing? He said he was on his way to a dealership. I guess he's looking for a new car. I don't know if he's selling the E92 or not, but he's looking for a new car, and he's on his way to this dealership, and this dealership happens to have a car that I've been looking at. I've been looking for a new car as well. I'm not gonna tell you guys what car, but you guys probably have an idea at what car I want to get next. I still haven't made up my mind. I actually might end up selling the E92 as well, but I don't know. I know you guys are gonna hate me for that, but we'll see, we'll see. Maybe I won't, maybe I'll keep this car forever, but let's go check out some cars, maybe go some car shopping, and see the car that I've been looking at. There's one specific car that's at this dealership that I'm looking at, and I'm serious about buying too. So I've been wanting to come check out the car, but I've had no one to come with, so it works out perfect to tag along and see Kevin's future car and my future car maybe. You never know. I heard this dealership has a lot of exotics and supercars, so we're probably gonna see a lot of Lambos and stuff, which will be cool. But here we are, guys. CNC Motors. Damn. What is that, an E30 M3? Holy shit. What up, what up? What's up? All right, guys, we made it. I still got Christmas wrap on my car, just the front bumper, nothing left. But it looks sick. I want to keep it like all of December. But like, we got Kevin's car, and then the other homie's car, M5, bro. This shit is baller right there. Look at the Hummer though, bro.
Oh, my E90. It's for sale. Get it for project.
Nah, no more E92s. E90s, nothing. Holy crap, dude. This is like car heaven right here, bro. Bro, look at these freaking cars. A Bugatti. I want this one. This is the one I want. Holy shit, I wonder how much this car is. Orange interior, Kevin, Lime Rock. Wow, that is cool. How much? $1.4 million, bro. Holy crap, guys, look at this. What is that, bro? There's a lot of freaking cars here. Let's find the car that I've been looking at, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys on camera or not, but there's a car here that I've been looking at. Ferrari 4GT SV, all murdered out. Holy shit. This might be my favorite car here, bro.
Well, they have a lot of
all black Aventador SV. Bruh. Wow, bro. Huracan. 2 Huracans. I would choose this one right here. Red interior. Oh my god, guys. One day, I'm gonna get one of these. I told you guys, 5 years. I'm gonna have this Huracan. Maybe less, you never know. But 5 years, I need a Huracan in 5 years. This is like the perfect spec too. White with red. That's like Kevin's type right there. I hate orange. I would never buy an orange car. Except for this, I would buy this orange car. I'm down. Even though I don't really like that much orange, this is way too much orange. Way too much orange. This is literally a car show.
what? Everything, you name it.
The Ferraris are sick. I'm not really a big fan of Ferraris. I'm more of a Lambo type of guy, but I don't know. Oh my god, dude. I'm not even gonna lie, that shit scared me. All black. It looks like a freaking Batmobile, bro. I think I would take that car over any of these. That's like my dream car right there. Look at the exhaust up there, bro. No way. It makes no noise?
Yeah, it's half engine, half thing. It's right.
No way, bro.
Yeah, it's electric.
I was expecting this shit to make noise.
Edit that shit. Put some pop-up.
Bro, I don't think I'd ever buy a car that makes no noise.
Wouldn't buy it, you mean?
I don't know if I'd buy it. I want to hear that shit, bro. I want the SV straight piped, bro. I want that shit loud.
Yeah, man, half motor.
That was hilarious, bro. I was not expecting that to make no noise.
Orange and orange, this is the perfect.
Because it's orange or what?
Yeah.
A Supra. Look at all these McLarens. Wow. Now we're talking, bro. I think it's a 2017 GTR. Woo. Wow, dude. That is sick. Another one in black. This one's clean too. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of those seats though. What is it, a Demon? Holy shit. A Demon will be sick for a next car. I'm kidding. I don't think I'll ever get a Demon, but they are badass. Wow, dude. That is beautiful. I think I would choose this. That is a sick GTR, all black. 129. Woo! That's a lot of money. No way. Look whose car I found. You guys recognize this car? This is the one I did a point of view video in. Alex with the GTR. I think he finally got rid of it. He's been wanting to sell it for a very long time. I wonder what you're gonna do next, Alex. Look, his Instagram's still there. If you guys have not seen this video, I drove this car in a point of view video. Stick shift. Probably one of the most fun cars I've ever driven.
100K subscribers, guys, not here.
Kevin, you should do it.
Kevin, get the red one. It's affordable.
Yeah, the red one's sick, bro.
Yeah.
I think this is the car Kevin's looking at, guys. One of these Porsches. He's trying to switch from BMW to Porsche. Guys, real quick, if I were to sell the E92, by the way, I just posted the E36 for sale on my Instagram. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But I'm selling the E36, guys. It's very sad, but I want to buy a new car, like I've been saying. I want to really buy a new car soon, like very, very soon. So E36 is up for sale, and the E92 possibly might go up for sale too. So it's very sad. Please let me know you guys' thoughts. Will you guys still watch my videos? Watch me sell it and no one watch my videos no more. You guys know it's gonna be sick though. Like whatever comes next, it's gonna be an upgrade no matter what. Look at this thing. A Porsche. Woo! This one's insane, dude. This is probably the most badass Porsche here. Stick shift, I think. Look at Kevin. Guys, what if he buys this car? That would be actually insane. Kevin? Oh, he's buying the whole shop probably.
This is the second car he's buying today.
Kevin's a baller, bro. Dude, sit in it, bro. Get comfortable, you, Kevin. He's letting Kevin start it. He's really trying to sell it to Kevin, huh? Once Kevin hears this, he might buy it. Oh, his valve. It's badass. Look at the back seats. No seats in the back. Alright, guys. Wow. We got some bad news. It's not really good news. I was gonna say there's good news, bad news, but all bad news. The car that I've been looking at online for like the past month probably. I've been looking at this car online. We came here, we talked to the guy. The car is sold. Somebody bought the freaking car I was looking at. So sad. I'm about to cry. I really wanted to see that car. Like, it's a perfect spec. It was a pretty low price, low miles. It was sick. I wish I saw it, but they sold it. Because it was local to my house. It was the perfect color. It was the perfect miles, perfect price, perfect everything. And it was close to my house. I could go look at it. But they sold it, and it sucks. On to the next story, guys. But Kevin might buy a car still. Look at this thing. AMG GTR. I don't really like these cars, but this one's sick. Freaking glass hood to show off the engine. Carbon fiber everywhere. I like this one, Kevin. For you, bro. Wrap it orange. That'll be good, huh? But you know how bummed I am, Kevin? They sold.
I can't believe they sold it.
Bro, it was here last Saturday. It was here last Saturday, Kev.
Oh, bro. I should have came to look at it, dude. I've been wanting to look at it for like a month.
You live so close.
I know,
We
dude.
live far.
I know.
Bro, I've been looking at this specific car for a month maybe.
I was.
Ooh. That shit sounds sick. I'm actually bummed, guys. Like, I was dead serious about looking at this car and possibly buying this one. But everything happens for a reason. Maybe that one's gonna up, maybe. We'll keep looking. We'll find the right one. I need to pull that paper off. It looks like crap now. There's so much freaking... I need to take all this off, guys. There's still tape all over my car. I knew it was gonna be more pain in the butt taking it off than putting the freaking wrap on. Wow. Must be nice. We switched whips. What's up, Kevin?
Bro, this is very, very risky.
Kevin's so scared, but I'm driving this Lime Rock. Ooh, we should race that guy. I'm gonna race everyone I can find on the freeway.
No.
Guys, this is like one of the first times I'm driving it far. I'm driving all the way to LA. All right, guys, we dropped off my E92. Now we're gonna go pick up my E36 at 412 because it's been there for like 2 weeks. It's been there for so long.
Take it easy, man.
feels faster, I'm not gonna lie.
There goes the Rodberry. Awesome.
You're scared of it?
A little bit.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print. I got a lot of songs, where the fuck is your head? It goes for anyone that ever doubted the kid. I ain't got a huge circle, I've been good on my own. Working non-stop on an airplane.